Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. Today I have hashtag satmornmakes and hashtag BunniesOfMarch cards hosted by Jill Norwood and Anna Wight. The stamp set that I use for today's cards is from Art Impressions Stamps called Sweet Easter Set. This set is so adorable, I love it. I begin by removing the stamp from the packaging and place it on my watercolor paper. I then close the lid of my MISTI and pick up the stamp and then ink it up with VersaFine Onyx black ink and stamp it on the paper. Now I can do it again to get a good impression. And here is my stamp image. For this image, I will use my zig markers, and on the other image that I stamp off camera, I will use Daniel Smith watercolor paints. After I color the image, I'm going to die cut that with circle die from Elizabeth Craft Designs Dashing Circles, and then I will color the background with watercolor paints. This one is the one I colored off camera, and now I will die cut that with Spellbinders Fancy Edge ovals. The paper pads I use are DCWV Pastels paper pad. I use that for matting my circle die cut. And Eco Park Hello Summer by Lori Whitlock 6x6 paper pad. I will use this scrap of watercolor paper for my sentiment. I'm just adding some color for the background. And then I will just dry this with my heat tool to make the process faster. This is the sentiment I'm going to use on one of my cards. It's an old Easter sentiment that I got from Michael's a few years ago. So I will just ink that up with VersaFine ink and then stamp it on that colored paper. I will fussy cut it with my detailed scissor and run my Memento black marker on the edges to make it look seamless. Now it's time to adhere everything together. I will adhere the 2 strips of pattern paper on scraps of white cardstock and cut the excess paper with my paper trimmer. I want a little bit of border, so I'm cutting it smaller than my A2 size card base. I will also adhere a die cut rickrack on the seam of those 2 pattern papers. The rickrack die is from My Favorite Things Stamps. And then I can finally adhere this panel on my A2 size top folding card base. As you can see, I'm just using liquid glue here. And then we'll just place that in the middle because I want that border. And then I will also adhere this circle or oval die cut. And I will adhere my sentiment first and then adhere my oval colored image. I will do the same thing on this second card, adhere everything together. After I adhered all the pieces on my card, I will stamp a sentiment, and the sentiment is Easter blessings, and that's one of the sentiments from the stamp set. And then for the inside of the card or cards, I'm gonna just stamp that image with the bunny inside the egg and another stamp set. I mean, another sentiment. I will stamp my information on the back of the cards with my name at Sintang Mayumi, and then I will add the strips of pattern paper, and these ones are just the scraps that I have and I don't wanna throw them in the trash, so I will just add them on the back of the cards. And then lastly, I scattered a few of this iridescent sequins, and I'm adhering them with micro glue dots. And here are my super cute cards. Thank you so much to Jill Norwood and Anna Wight for always inspiring us. All the links will be in the description box below the video. Don't forget to check out hashtag satmornmakes and hashtag BunniesOfMarch. I hope you like today's cards, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.